Hi guys, I'm recording Prodigy, me playing Prodigy and exposing how dumb I am. I have a fan on because it's very hot where I'm at. So yeah, I have like 3 or 4 recordings and they're all failures. Anyways, let's do this. Now to the nearest 100. So 138. So 4.140. Yeah. You're going down, Buster. You're going down, Buster. Ha! You missed. Going down, Buster. Okay. I got paper right next to me, so let me just do some multiplication. No, I'm not using calculator. I need to do this myself, so let's see. 3 times 8, 24. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 21, 20. Yeah, 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 8, 32, plus 4, 34. 7 times 8, 56. 6 plus 3 is 9, 90, 9, 59. 3 times 8, 24. 4 plus 5, 29. Okay. Then add the 0, 2.2 times 3, 5, no, not 5, 6. 8, 14, 6. 4, 10, 18, 14, 9. So 94, 804 I think it is. 94. If I'm wrong, yep, I'm wrong because I'm dumb. Like I said, I'm exposing how dumb I am this episode, and you're done. Goodbye. Hello. How do I get a link? Okay, I think, yeah, I have the whatchamacallit on. Okay. I am dumb. I am dumb. Dummy, dumb, dumb. Dumb. Okay, again. 1438 times 17. 8 times 7. 1 times 7, 56. 3 times 7, 21, plus the 5, 26. 4 times 7, 28, 30. 10. 8, 3, 4, 1, 6, 14, 4, 4, 2. Ah, my pencil. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is probably also wrong, but I don't care because I'm exposing how dumb I am. Oh, that was actually correct. I'm surprised. Die. It died. Money and a scepter. It's the onyx wand. So I guess most of these monsters are like ice, so I guess I'll just use fire. Oh wait, no, that's not what I meant. I meant the relics. The volcano in there. Check on some things. Classmates. Okay. Oh, friend request. I clicked friend request. Don't know who these people are. Bye. Mail. August. Member box. Help. Yeah. Okay, we're done. Be careful further up the mountain, wizard. More and more of these crystals are coming to life deeper you get into the caverns. Okay then. Yes, I'd like to heal me and my pets. Okay, 6424. 6424 times 52. 8, 4, 8, 12, 20, 12, 21, 32, 8, 4, 10, 4, 3, 3. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 4,000, 34,000, 334, 334,048. Okay, there we go. We're all healed. So what's this thing? Oh, that's the cavern. Adventure level 71. Nice. Okay, it spotted me. Oh, this one's like not, okay, I see. Oh, what was it supposed to be? Fudge, 7, 1, 2, 3. Hold up, how did I, what? Reduce your answer. Okay, but I'm dumb. Ow, my leg cracked. It's weak at least. Okay. 5. It's gonna be 2/5. Because if it's the same on the bottom, you're gonna carry the answer to, you're gonna carry the number that's the same on the bottom. Well, okay, I should probably do in a more mathematic language. So the denominator. So the denominator, if it's the same, you'll carry it to your answer, and then all you have to do is subtract the upper part. And here we go. And that's the greatest factor in So is this division or something? Okay. 15, 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. Screw it, I forgot how to reduce. Okay, 15 divided by 5 is 3. 11 minus 1, 2, 9. 3 9ths. I don't know. It's 3 9ths. I'm obviously wrong, but I forgot how to reduce because of my dumb brain. That's where I'm going to die. This is why I need to learn more. 4/5, 1/5. I want to say 1/5 is higher. No? Really? I thought if it's like lower, like the number lower. I thought it was like if the number is lower, then it's me and my dumb dumbness. It's almost dead. Yay. If I succeed, this thing's gonna succeed, isn't it? I want to say 6 9. No? Gosh, I must be dumb for this, or this is not. Why do fractions exist again? They're equal. 3/4. They're both 3/4. And it's finally dead. Yay, my stupidity helped. My stupidity helped me. More money. Okay. I somehow got that. Yeah, I'm not gonna question how I got that. Okay, caverns, blah da da. Don't mind me, I'm just looking through my items. Did I just go into a circle? Am I going in circles? I cannot honestly tell. This cavern is confusing. Oh my gosh, that's an ambush. Oh, I should have healed. I should have healed. There we go. Okay. The 3/8. I at least healed. So if you want me to do more of me being exposed and being dumb and stuff, comment down below. After this battle, I'm gonna end it here. Okay, which factions are the equivalent to the following? 1/4, 6. Okay, I think it's this one. Yay, correctness. I'm so glad I had that pizza and stuff on me. So that's why the healing stuff is there. Neat. And last move, we're gonna do an all-out attack for the finale. Okay, and after this, we're gonna end it here, like I said earlier. All-out attack. Yay. Don't forget to comment down below if you want me to play more Prodigy. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.